The goal of advocacy and counseling really is risk assessment, safety planning, and stabilization for a survivor or victim of domestic and sexual violence. We also work too with human trafficking. We work with men, women, children, and families in a lot of these organizations because domestic violence is not only particular to women. Everybody from people who are immigrants to the whole gamut. Domestic violence doesn't see race, religion, economic status. And so while there may be different challenges for different people, the patterns are very similar. A few warning signs of an unhealthy or abusive relationship may be quick involvement, isolation, being put down, jealousy, feeling controlled or manipulated, feeling unsafe in any way, physically, emotionally, sexually, or psychologically. So we all provide trauma-informed advocacy services, and many of us also provide counseling. And so advocacy may include education about domestic and sexual violence, risk assessment, safety planning, referrals to food, shelter, clothing, medical care, counseling, legal resources. We also educate about the criminal and civil justice system. And then in addition, the counseling services are provided by trauma-informed therapists. So there are a number of DVAC partners who provide multiple services. So one of our partners is Ashiyanaa, and they provide culturally sensitive interpersonal violence support and services specifically for the South Asian community. The Jewish Coalition Against Domestic Abuse helps survivors of power-based violence find food, shelter, and obtain financial resources. The Women's Center, where I work, we offer both short and long-term advocacy services with a free bi-monthly drop-in group. And then the Multicultural Center of Northern Virginia Family Services provides advocacy and mental health services in 7 different languages. Another partner is the Victim Service Division, and their staff provide immediate and direct support to victims, their families, and witnesses to help them cope with the trauma and the aftermath of victimization and lessen the re-victimization often associated with participation in the criminal justice system. I think it's really important for people to know that we're here to help. We won't tell you what to do. What we really will do is try to help you figure out what is the best thing to keep yourself safe and your family safe. Fairfax County has a great 24-hour hotline, and so if you had any questions or concerns about anything going on in your relationship, it's a confidential hotline. And that number is 703-360-7273, and I would just encourage someone to reach out.